What's up guys? Today's video we're going to be installing the ICT Billet alternator and power steering bracket. It fits the truck accessories. I think you can use either the standard output alternator or the high output heavy duty. I think we have the heavy duty, so we should see how everything bolts up. These videos are going to be a little out of order. I've got a oil pump install video, the front timing cover with the seal and everything coming out as well. I just got to get those edited. So this should be a little bit easier to edit, so this one will probably come out first. I'll link the giveaway video in the description, and I'll put a little box at the end of the video. So if you haven't already signed up for that one, you can go ahead and do so. So we're going to get to it. I went ahead and installed a little bit of Loctite on the threads. With this being under a little bit of tension with the belt and everything, I don't want them backing out on me. So we're just going to go ahead and Loctite all our bolts. Just going to go ahead and snug these ones up just a hair. And we'll come back afterwards and torque everything. So basically we're just going to go till it stops and leave it like that. Sorry about all the traffic today, guys. There's all sorts of people running up and down my street. All right, we're gonna go ahead and torque these. We're gonna do it in a two-step process. We're gonna do 11 pound-feet, and then we'll bump it up to 22 pound-feet. There's 1/2-inch bolts. Now we'll go ahead and jump it up to 22. We'll go over it just one more time to make sure we got it all torqued. Now that that's installed, we're just going to go ahead and install our alternator. We're going to go ahead and use a little bit of Loctite on the back of these threads as well. Like I said, sorry about all the traffic today, guys. We're going to two-step torque these as well. 11 and 22 pound-feet again. This nut is actually a 15, while the bolt is still ½ inch. Go ahead and bump it up to 22 pound-feet. All right, let me grab the power steering pump and we'll get it put on. Nope, I actually used the wrong hole, guys, my bad. Wasn't paying attention. Now that I got it in place, I'll go ahead and put my Loctite on. Go ahead and pull these back out so we can Loctite them. Just do them one at a time. we'll go ahead and snug all these back up. And again, we are going to torque them to 11 pound-feet and 22 pound-feet. Bump our torque wrench up to 22 pound-feet once more. Double check it. Now we can install our power steering pulley. You want to actually go ahead and lube your threads so that way you don't strip them. I just put a dab of grease on it. And that's all it takes to install the ICT Billet Alternator power steering bracket. It actually comes with a idler pulley that you can mount in 2 separate locations. It either mounts here or you can mount it here, depending on your setup. I'm gonna wait. I think I will have to run it in the middle position since I will be running the ICT Billet Sanden 508 AAC bracket as well. It bolts over here. It's all direct bolt on, should work no issues. That way I can run the vintage air. I still have to get the harmonic balancer on, but I'll do that once I get it set in the frame. I'll buy a flywheel lock. So that way I can get it torqued to spec. I'm going with ARP, and I think it calls for 240 pound-feet. Sorry about that. Like I said, I will link the giveaway video in the description, and I will put a box at the end of the video. So that way you can go ahead and comment if you haven't already. Enter your chance to win a free set of LS swap mounts. If you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe. Catch you on the next one, guys.